welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex. So as you might be able to tell, planning on doing some more wood chipping today. So I'm going to slightly change it up today. We'll be doing my first time taking the wood chipper out onto my trails. You might know that I got over 61 acres here, and I got a fair amount of trails here that are well overgrown, so I can't really ride my ATV here fast through them without getting just whipped in the face. It's kind of annoying. That's the main reason why I bought this wood chipper to begin with, is to have a nice towable chipper that I can take out on the trails and hopefully make a lot faster progress, because right now it's been slow going, but I got a good feeling about this wood chipper speeding things up. But time will tell. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks everybody.